In 1951, a young mother named Henrietta Lacks walked into a Baltimore hospital, unaware her life would quietly change the world of science forever. She wasn't a scientist. She wasn't famous. She never gave a speech or published a paper. But today, laboratories across the world still depend on something she left behind. Doctors discovered a fast-growing tumor during her examination. At the time, hospitals often collected cell samples for research. Permission was rarely discussed. Henrietta never knew her cells were taken. But what scientists saw next stunned them. Unlike every other human cell they had studied before, hers did not die. They multiplied, rapidly, continuously, relentlessly. For the first time in history, researchers had human cells that could survive and reproduce outside the body. They named them using the first letters of her name, HeLa cells. Those cells spread from lab to lab, city to city, country to country. They became one of the most important tools in medical science. HeLa cells helped researchers study viruses, genetics, and cancer behavior. They accelerated discoveries that once would have taken decades. They were used in the development of the polio vaccine. They helped scientists understand how human cells respond under extreme conditions. They even traveled beyond Earth, sent into space to observe how human biology reacts to zero gravity. Entire industries grew around these cells. Meanwhile, Henrietta's family knew nothing about it. For more than 20 years, they were never told her cells were still alive, still being used, still driving breakthroughs. No recognition, no compensation, no choice in the matter. As awareness grew, her story forced the scientific community to confront difficult ethical questions. Who owns biological material? What does consent really mean? How should patients be protected? Her legacy reshaped medical ethics and research law. Today, Henrietta Lacks is finally recognized as one of the most important contributors to modern medicine, even though she never chose that role. Her cells have been cited in tens of thousands of scientific studies. They continue to support research right now, inside incubators, under microscopes, in discoveries yet to be announced. One woman, one unnoticed moment, one biological miracle that changed the future of medicine. Henrietta Lacks, the woman the world almost forgot, but science never could. Henrietta Lacks may have lived a quiet life, but her impact on modern science is anything but quiet. The immortal HeLa cells taken from her changed the course of medicine forever, helping develop vaccines, advance cancer research, and unlock discoveries that continue to save millions of lives every day. Her story also reshaped the way the world thinks about ethics, consent, and patient rights, leaving a legacy that reaches far beyond the laboratory. Thank you for watching. I upload a new episode every Sunday, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Echoes of History to make sure you never miss a single story from the past that shaped our world.